Would you like to study at Hahn? In 89 seconds, we explain the steps you need to take to apply for a program at Hahn. Want to join us for a moment? You apply on Studielink and follow the various steps. Too early is better than too late, but do it at least before the application deadlines. You automatically receive an email with the confirmation of your application and the login details for the My Application portal. You receive an email informing you about your matching activities and the documents you need to send. Take a look at your to-do list in the My Application portal. Don't have all the info yet? No problem. Upload the info you do have, for example, your grades list instead of your degree certificate. You'll receive an email asking you to complete your matching activities via the My Application portal. Matching activities include an online interview and a questionnaire. They allow you to check whether the program matches your wishes and interests. When all necessary documents are uploaded, Hahn assesses your admission. If everything is in order, you receive an email with the result of your application. Did you get a positive result? Then continue with the following steps. If you are then accepted, all that is left is to pay your tuition fees. Congratulations, you're now a Hahn student. There are still lots of things to do before you actually start studying, such as housing and planning your trip. Also, don't forget to upload your secondary school certificate and create a Hahn account. So, right on time. Stop the clock. Did you know that you can track the progress of your application in the My Application portal? Good luck and see you soon at Hahn. Questions? Go to hahnuniversity.com/admission.